At the 2025 IDT Defense Expo in Brno, Czech defense firm Excalibur Army unveiled the newest iteration of its Patriot II 4x4 armored vehicle, now outfitted with cutting-edge Turkish technology. The upgraded model integrates the Trakon 30 remote-controlled weapon station, RCWS, developed by Unirobotics, a Turkish defense manufacturer, and features the powerful Venom LR 30 by 113mm revolver cannon. The system was showcased in both static displays and live demonstrations, underlining its seamless compatibility with the Patriot's modular chassis and signaling a leap forward in Excalibur's evolving multi-role vehicle lineup. This latest variant embodies Excalibur Army's ongoing push to enhance the Patriot family's battlefield versatility, delivering a platform capable of meeting a wide range of operational needs. Designed around Tatra's renowned 4x4 backbone tube chassis, the Patriot series supports diverse configurations, from battlefield command to NBC reconnaissance and medical evacuation. Since its 2019 debut, the vehicle has also been tailored for civil protection tasks like firefighting and riot control. Currently, field tests are underway in Brazil for police applications and in Slovakia for military evaluation. Additionally, Excalibur is developing variants tailored for engineering roles and military police tasks for potential use by the Czech armed forces. The Patriot II weighs between 13.5 and 18 tons, depending on armor and mission gear, and boasts dimensions of 6.25 meters in length, 2.55 meters in width, and up to 2.8 meters in height. Its mobility stems from a choice of two engines, a 270 kW Cummins ISL water-cooled engine or a 325 kW Tatra air-cooled powerplant. Both meet Euro 3 standards. The vehicle can hit 110 km per hour on roads and traverse difficult terrain at up to 45 km per hour. With an operational range exceeding 600 km and adjustable air suspension that modifies ground clearance by up to 170 mm, the Patriot II offers both endurance and off-road agility. The crew compartment supports up to 8 personnel, depending on layout and mission equipment. Protection is a core element of the Patriot II's design. The vehicle follows the kit hull concept, enabling scalable armor packages that meet STANAG 4569 levels 2 to 4 for ballistic threats and levels 2A/2B to 3A/3B for mine protection. The interior features mine-resistant seating, an energy-absorbing floor, and dual fire suppression systems for the crew and engine bays. It includes advanced climate control and NBC filtration to allow sustained operations in contaminated environments. The platform supports a variety of manned and remote turrets, ranging from machine guns and automatic cannons to grenade launchers, mortars, and anti-tank missile systems. Mission modules can be rapidly swapped to tailor the vehicle for specific tasks. At the heart of this configuration is the Turkish-built Trakon 30 RCWS, created by Unirobotics, a division of Samsun Yurt Savunma, SIS. It incorporates the Venom LR cannon, an advanced revolver-type automatic weapon originally engineered by AEI Systems and now part of Canic's suite of armaments. The cannon offers a variable rate of fire from 220 to 1,300 rounds per minute and supports an array of munitions, including proximity-fused shells designed to target UAVs. The weapon station includes a fire control system and can be integrated with counter-drone radar, making it effective in both day and night operations and in high-threat environments such as urban warfare zones. The rising threat of unmanned aerial systems, UAS, particularly cheap and improvised drones, has drastically altered modern combat dynamics, as seen in the Ukraine conflict. In response, many militaries are outfitting vehicles with counter-UAS technologies. The Trakon 30's inclusion in the Patriot II is a strategic move that equips the Czech platform with both offensive and defensive drone fighting capability. Notably, this system avoids U.S. international traffic in arms regulations, ITAR, giving Excalibur Army more freedom in exports and potentially shortening procurement cycles for international clients. Incorporating C-UAS functionality makes the Patriot II a dual-role asset, not just a transport or support vehicle, but an active defender against airborne threats. Other nations are developing similar systems. Canada's Rosehell Senator C-UAS vehicle, for instance, integrates Leonardo's Falcon Shield suite to detect and neutralize UAVs using sensors, jammers, and remote weapon stations. Meanwhile, Spain's Escribano has transformed the Vamtac ST-5 into a drone hunter with full-spectrum surveillance and interception capabilities. The Patriot II's new configuration positions it at the forefront of next-generation armored mobility, capable of border defense, urban warfare, peacekeeping, and anti-drone missions, while also reflecting broader global shifts toward modularity, automation, and electronic warfare readiness.